it's James from Harley-Davidson. I'd like to do a brief video showcasing this 21 model year Road King Special we now have in stock. So here it is, the 2021 Road King Special. Finishing the best colour on this bike, vivid black paint. Matte finished heat shields leading into the VANCE and HINES exhaust system, giving the bike that true traditional Harley sound. Upgraded seat in this bike, which is from the Road Glide ST, just gives the bike that much better feel when you're riding, a lot more comfort, keeping your back upright. Sissy bar on this with large pad, extra comfort for the pillion rider. Great addition to the touring lineup. Those 29 litres of storage panniers on both sides. Also just finishes off that stance on the back of the bike. Footboards for the rider too. A lot more comfort with these doing long distance. This bike comes in the 114 cubic inch engine. LED Daymaker headlight too. This bike is one owner from new. Will come with 12 months warranty, which again is fully extendable, and a full service. So that was the video of the Road King Special. Hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like any more information of the bikes we have in stock, please check us out at Harley-Davidson for our website or call us directly at store. Thank you.